Best small business ideas. First of all, I will talk about translator. Speak a foreign language, start a translation service, consider specializing in a specific genre of translation like medical or financial translation, as you might be able to fill a niche need in your community. Then, garden designer. Many people have the willingness to do the dirty work in their backyards, but few have the know how to complete the first part of this process, designing and planning the backyard space. Draw up the designs for your clients' outdoor spaces and let them do the actual digging. Then, e-commerce store owner. Do you create, collect, or curate anything special? Consider starting an e-commerce store and turning your hobby into a full-time job. Whether you need somewhere to sell all the property, all the pottery, है ना? Is it? You can do. Even you have been making or an excuse to search for the sports memorabilia you love tracking down. An e-commerce store can make it financially viable for you to pursue your passion. Landscaper. Mowing, tree trimming, and seasonal decor are all neighborhood needs. If you have or can acquire the equipment, a landscaping business can be a lucrative affair. Learn some of the basics now from the Google, है ना? From anywhere. Videographer. Video production requires you to have invested in the equipment front, which can be quite expensive. But that's also what makes your service so valuable. Make sure you have a reel of your work to share or create a website with several selections of your work available for interested viewers. Is it?